Today I will take again class 6th English, and today's topic is A Tale of Two Birds, a beautiful story. Here is not written author's name, but one thing is there so far the story is concerned. What's the crux, what's the theme, what's the central idea of this story? That is, a man is known by the company he keeps. Is it? A man is known by the company he keeps. And here is discussion of two birds in this beautiful story. Due to storm, they get separated, and each one sheltered himself in different places. Among one sheltered himself in robbers gang, and other has chosen place of Rishi's ashram. Then there is written about both birds that in the company of robbers and in the company of Rishi's ashram, what kind of manners, what kind of attitude, and what kind of habits they learn from both places. That's the theme of this story. Virtual and vices, virtues and vices. Suppose here is one portion which we will discuss briefly in this story, that is some of the moral of the story in your own words. You have to write moral in your own words. How can you describe both birds in the lesson? You have to give your own description. So, I will tell you briefly few examples about this story and what's the moral of the story. Hope you will understand and you will try to write down. Okay? Take your pen and try to write down. One likes to keep company with those who have similar tastes and likes. And aptitudes. It's rather impossible to be a friendly with anyone whose taste and like are different from ours. Brave people will seek the company of other brave people. A drunkard will feel at home in the company of other drunkards. A thief is friendly with a thief. When we see few persons, we can easily make out what they are that they are people of similar taste. You will find a good man in the company of a good man. The bad bird in the story was friendly with a gang of robbers. The good bird in the story was friendly with a Rashid. Now it's correct to say that man is known by the company he keeps. Is it? This is some of the moral of the story in your own words. I have given you description of the story in few words. Hope you have written all this. Moreover, I will give you uh, this is language work. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Next time we will discuss this. Till then, Khuda.